and welcome to Craftsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this very simple 2-row repeat pattern. So without any further delay, let's get right into it. So once you have your chosen yarn and hook, let's make a slip knot. Pop in the hook into the slip knot. So there is no chain rule for this pattern. You can chain any number you like. So I'm going to chain 25. So chain 25. Here is a chain of 25. Next, for the row 1, we're going to start working from the 4th chain, leaving the chain on the hook. So this counts as nothing. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we're going to make double crochet starting from the 4th chain. So that's one double crochet. We're going to carry on making double crochets until the end. So let's make double crochets. So that's the double crochet row complete. So that's row 1. So now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. So we're going to make single crochets starting from the 1st stitch, or if you look at from the top, it's the 2nd chain. So 1 and 2, this chain here. So we're going to make single crochets. So insert the hook into this chain in such a way that both the loops of the chain are on the hook. Now pull up a loop. We're not doing anything just yet. So we're going to insert the hook into the next chain as well and pull up a loop. Now there are 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So that's basically 2 single crochets made together. So now we're going to insert the hook onto this space just where we made a single crochet. So this space here. Inserting the hook into this space, grab the yarn and then insert the hook into the very next chain and then grab the yarn. Now there are 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3. So we're going to carry on making this throughout. So let's make it together, single crochets. So inserting the hook into this space. Pull up a loop, inserting the hook into the next chain, pull up a loop. There are 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3. So I've reached the end of this now. So I'm going to make one more of these. So now at the very end, what we're going to do is we're going to insert the hook in here and grab a loop and just make a single crochet because we don't have another chain, so we're just going to make a single crochet. So this is just to be, you know, this is just to make sure that we are these edges are in line. So yeah, so just one single crochet at the end and chain 3, and now turn our work and then make double crochets. So yarn over, inserting the hook into this stitch, very first stitch. So if you see from the top, it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, fourth chain. So this is the first stitch from the previous row, inserting the hook into this space here in such a way that both the loops of the chain are on the hook, and double crochet. So carry on making double crochets throughout. So double crochets. So now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. So this is how it looks, and then we're going to make single crochets again like we did before. So we're going to insert the hook into the second chain, we see from the top, and that's the first stitch from the previous row. So we're going to insert the hook into this space here, this space, this one, inserting the hook, pull up a loop and insert the hook into the next chain as well, and pull up a loop, the 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3, and insert the hook into the space where we've just made single crochet. So that's this one here. Grab the yarn and insert the hook into the next chain and grab the yarn, the 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. So we're going to carry on making this until the end again. So let's do that. So at the end, remember, we're just going to make one more single crochet just to make these edges in line. Just one single crochet, chain 3, and then start making the double crochets from there. So if you look from the top, it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's the 4th chain, but it's the first stitch from the previous row. So that's this one here. So making double crochets, throughout this. So basically this is a 2-row repeat pattern. So we're going to repeat the double crochet row and the single crochet. That's 2 single crochets together that we made in this one here, this row. So we're going to repeat these 2 rows all over again and again until we reach the desired length of our scarf or blanket. You see how simple this pattern is. So feel free to use this pattern in any of your crochet projects. So if you have any questions, please do leave them in the comment section. And if you happen to make use of this pattern, do post it in the comment section. I would love to see your work. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.